If you like free money, and honestly, who doesn't, then you'll be interested to learn about this. I know what I'm about to tell you sounds like it might be a scam, but I checked it out and it seems to be real. Let me tell you about it and you decide for you. As for me, I took advantage of it. Let me explain. As you know, there are tons of stockbroker businesses competing for customers, big companies like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Vanguard, and smaller, younger companies like Robinhood. Webull, spelled Webull, one word, is a name that I've been hearing about for a while, but didn't get familiar with until recently. What finally caught my eye and got me to research them was their current promotion. They've launched a promotion to attract new customers. It seems pretty good because one of the main goals of my YouTube channel is to bring value to you. And because this was kind of a fun thing and easy to do anyway, I thought I'd share it. So in this video, I'll first give you a brief overview of Webull, and then I'll tell you about the promotion. Here's how I'm thinking about the whole thing. First, is Webull legit? Are they a real business that treats their customers well, where my money and your money would be safe? Second, if I take advantage of the promotion, what's the catch? How am I going to get screwed? If Webull passes the test on both of these points, then proceed, and if it doesn't, then don't. Well, it did pass my test, so let me tell you about it. First, who is Webull? Webull was founded in 2017 as a brokerage, a financial technology company. They've grown fast, and it's estimated that they now have over 12 million users. The reviews for Webull are very good. Bankrate says, Webull gives investors who are looking for a high-quality and low-cost mobile experience a solid broker option that in many ways is superior to its more famous rival, Robinhood. U.S. News & World Report describes all the attributes of the service and then summarizes by saying that the app is appropriate for both new investors and more experienced traders seeking an advanced trading platform. CNBC Select says Webull is best for active investors who also want to save for retirement. NerdWallet, a personal finance company, gives Webull a 5-star rating, the same as Fidelity and better than JP Morgan and Merrill, and notes the new customer promotion worth up to $3,000 that I'll be sharing with you here in a minute. In terms of customer service, the company has gotten good reviews as well. I personally called them twice with questions, and after a short hold, was connected to someone who was nice, smart, and helpful and answered my questions on the spot. Last, regarding the question of whether or not the app is a safe place for our money, Security.org did a thorough review and concluded that as far as investment companies go, Webull is among the safest. It's backed by respected regulators and insured by some of the best companies in the world. In addition, the app itself provides security features like encryption and two-factor authentication. Now, before I review the promotion, I'll quickly show you the basics of their product offerings so you can see for yourself that, as a brokerage, they look pretty interesting. The Webull app is available on the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, and Amazon devices. There is, of course, an internet portal, too, for computer access. There is no fee for ACH deposit into or withdrawal from the account. They currently pay a 4.1% APY on cash balances, which is great compared to banks, and there are no minimums and no fees on that. The brokerage account in general has no account minimums. There are no commissions for trading stocks, ETFs, or options that are listed on U.S. exchanges. If you use options, there is no per-contract commission for buying and selling options, and no exercise or assignment fees either. If you use margin in your trading, they have competitive margin rates that don't require a subscription. If you like to track a practice portfolio or test strategies without putting real money at work, you can use their Play Money platform to paper trade. If you need premium data, that requires a subscription, depending on what you need. Stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto are available, but mutual funds and OTC stocks are not available. As far as types of accounts, you can open a cash account, margin account, or 3 types of IRAs, traditional, Roth, or rollover. So it's a real brokerage with a competitive selection of products available. In terms of vetting, therefore, I conclude that Webull seems to be a pretty good brokerage. Now we get to the interesting part, the promotion. Now, listen up. I'm about to describe the current promotion as of the time this video was filmed. If you watch this later in time after the current promotion has expired, there may well be a new promotion in place. Webull regularly changes up their promotions, so there's a pretty good chance that a new promotion might then be in effect. So you can still use the link that I provided because it will bring you to whatever the new promotion is. Okay, the current promotion, here it is. It's actually pretty simple. This is open to people who have not previously opened a Webull brokerage account or made an initial deposit. All you need to do is 1. Open a new Webull account. 2. Put any amount of money in it, even just 1 penny, into the account. And then once your deposit into the account is cleared, you can claim your promotional reward. That's it. The reward consists of free fractional shares in from 6 to up to 12 stocks. See these screenshots. One is an email they sent me. Very simple. It says open the account, make a deposit, get 6 to 12 free shares. The other is 2 screenshots that I took of the promotion description inside the app, where it says 100% chance of claiming at least 6 free fractional shares and a 1 in 10,000 chance of claiming 12 free shares. On this second page of the app screenshot, they say that each of the fractional shares is worth between $3 and $3,000. So it seems the reward could be worth a lot. The value of the reward is a little random, sort of like a lottery ticket. You're guaranteed to get at least the smaller amount, but it could be more, and it could be up to the larger amount for the lucky winner. Anyway, even recognizing that I won't know how much I'll get, it seemed worthwhile to me and kind of fun in the lottery sort of way. So I signed up, and I can't wait to see what I'll get. I'm just waiting for my small deposit into the account to clear in a few days, and then I can claim my reward. Like I said in the intro, this is free money. For a few minutes of my time and no cost incurred at all, they're giving me stock that I can sell right away for cash. And if I don't want to keep the account, I can just transfer the cash back out to my bank. Free money. If you want to do this too, here's how. I'll give you a little bit more detail, but trust me, it's really easy. To get the current promotion before June 9 at 11:59 p.m., do the following. First, use the link that I provided below in the description to the video, which will bring you to the promotional login page. Now, in full disclosure, it is an affiliate link. All that means is I will get compensated by the company at no cost at all to you for letting people know about this promotion. I thank you for using my link as a token of your appreciation for my time spent doing the research, vetting the company and the promotion, and making this video. If I didn't think it was safe and valid, I wouldn't even show you. So use this link to Webull, then fill out the simple online form to open an account. It will ask you what kind of account you're opening. I'd recommend you keep it simple and just open a cash account. If you're more experienced and want it, you can open a margin account. And if you wanted an IRA, you still have to open the cash account first anyway. So just open a cash account and leave it at that. Once the application is submitted, wait for them to review and approve it. It might take a day or two to be reviewed and approved, so they'll send you an email when it's done. I filled out mine yesterday, and by this morning I had an approval, so it was quick. Honestly, it feels like it took me longer to explain this to you than it did for me to fill out and submit the application. Step 2, deposit any amount of money into the account. Again, any amount. Put in a penny if you want, and it meets the eligibility requirements. I read them multiple times, seems crazy, but any amount of money. To make the deposit, there's a deposit tab in the site that will guide you through the process. It's very simple. It took me at most a couple minutes to link my bank account and transfer the small deposit. If you transfer in money using an ACH, it's free, but it takes up to 5 business days to clear. If you transfer it in using a wire, then it will clear within a day or two, but it'll cost you the wire transfer fee. I like free, so I use the ACH. Your choice. Step 3, wait for the deposit to clear. When it does, go to the My Rewards section in the app and claim your reward. That's it. Just make sure to claim your reward before July 9, 2023, or you will forfeit it, meaning you'll lose it. That's 30 days after the promotion ends, so plenty of time to claim it. Again, if you missed this promotion, you should still use my link to click through and take advantage of whatever promotion they're having at that time. They seem to do them regularly, but of course, no guarantee. That's it. Easy. Open account, put in a small bit of money, which you can do for free, and claim your reward. And of course, if you don't want to keep the account, just sell the shares, transfer your money out, and close the account again. Or don't. It's a good brokerage platform. You might want to use it. Anyway, I hope this was of interest, and I hope you get a good reward if you try it. With luck, some of you will score big. Definitely, if you do, let us know in the comments to this video how it worked out. See you in the next one.